Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Yesterday we saw how to transpose or how to flip a vertical table into horizontal table in MS Excel using the transpose function. Okay, so today also we are using the same transpose function, and I'm showing you how to reverse a horizontal table into a vertical table. How to transpose a horizontal table into vertical table. The process is same. I will just show you how to do it with an example. Let's see. We'll follow the same example that we did yesterday. So let's take Monday. We are creating a horizontal table. Okay, then we will enter some data, random data. So this is a horizontal data table. So we want to convert it into a vertical table using the transpose function. Okay, I will show you how to do it. The process is same. Just make sure that we select the equal number of columns while transposing while applying the transpose function. So here we have 1 2 3 4 7 cells, and here also we have 7 cells. So we have to select 7 into 2 vertical cells. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have to have 2 sets of 7 cells. Okay, yeah, and we have selected that, and without leaving the selection, click on we have to apply the transpose function. Okay, equal sign, transpose, opening bracket. Now you need to select the range which or the table which you need to transpose. So I am selecting it from here. Okay, it has been selected, C2 to I3. Then close the bracket. Then as we did before, we should not directly click on the enter key button on the keypad. Instead we should press Control plus Shift. So you should not leave the control button, you should keep it pressed, then you should keep the shift button pressed, then after that click on the enter button. Yeah, that's done. So here we have got a vertical table from the previous horizontal one. Okay, the horizontal table has been converted neatly into a vertical table, and everything looks perfect. So this is how we can use the transpose function. So that's all from my part today. So today I have showed how to convert a horizontal table into a vertical table. So that's all from my part today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share, and also provide your valuable comments in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe the channel by clicking on the bell icon. So whenever I upload new videos, you will get the notifications in your YouTube account. So that's all from my part today. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.